Right, hello and welcome back to another episode of Mini Daly. On today's episode, we are going to be continuing on from where we left off, and we are going to be tackling the rust on the boot floor, and hopefully at the end of today we'll have the panel welded in, and I think I have where am I take? Oh, I haven't got it down. Oh, I do, corner of the boot floor. So we'll get that ticked off the list. Right, let's bring these in. Before I bring these in properly, I just said I'd give you a look at this. Anyone following along the series, I decided to do this off camera, but I just picked the rest of that quarter panel off just to reveal this. Now, it's in good condition. Apart from there, what we'll do is run a flap disc along that, and we'll put some cure rust and stuff, and we'll put some weld-through primer on this. Now, what I might do is I might paint this face here, because there's no welding happening here. It all happens along this edge here. I've also started to pick off these, again, just the rest of the panel, and I have the inside of that all done as well. So we'll have a look at this floor. Now, as you can see, that's what we were left with after our grinding. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to bring back the edge here. I'm going to get rid of all the crap and stuff that's in here, and I am going to get some cure rust on this, and hopefully we'll get some weld-through primer on that. I'll also clear out the stuff that's in here because we don't want that rattling when it's on the road. Right, cure rust time. A little of an aerosol tin. You only need a little tiny bit of it. As you can see, that's nearly too much. Don't put it back in the can when you're finished. That's it. Just make sure to wash your brush when you're finished as well. It makes the brush go rock hard very quick. Also, the other side, what I plan on doing in here, although you can't see it under the dust, you can see remnants of it, is I'm just going to wire brush all that back, and I'm going to cure rust it. The same with in here as well. I'm going to cure rust that now before it gets any worse, because as we know, it's an MPI and it is going to rust. Now what we're doing here is we just have a spot of zinc primer. It's weld through. Now we're just grab a marker. I actually prefer using a pen, but I can't find a pen. You can feel your edge along here, just push into it. There you have it. And just catch it. Carefully lift it up. Now, it's time to earn your blue Peter badges then. Just grab a pair of scissors then and just trim it up. There's your template. As I said about here, it's just the inner underneath of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it bigger, and then I am going to trim it back. So our panel, right? Now, as you can see, the repair goes a bit higher. So because of the fact we're not using this, we'll just see where this will fit on it. Now, if you look there, that edge pretty much follows, so if you can get that in as tight as you can to it, which you can't. Right, that didn't work. The curve was right, but it just wouldn't work there. So you push that down onto that like that. Sorry, I had to flip it around there. If you put it on it like that, push it in, and then what you can do is run your grinder again around the outside edge of that, and you should have pretty much the right template. So let's get some cutting done.
You should leave the digger there.
And we're done. All in seam sealer, thank God. And welding was a little bit tricky as it wanted to pull back this side as I was welding it in, but patience and perseverance, and we got on with it. So that is another tick off the list. Now, where does that leave us on the list? Well, we have corner of the boot floor tick. So it's just a rough list. There is going to be other jobs on it that aren't there. There'll be jobs that'll be adding to it and stuff like that. This is just basically to get the car solid and rolling. Well, there's nothing there to do with rolling, but you know what I mean. Next video, we hopefully will be tackling the quarter panel and getting the quarter panel on. Off camera, I'm going to pick away at all the seams and do a bit of painting and stuff. Now, I might turn the camera on for a minute or two just to let you see the inside of it all being painted and that, and then slap the quarter panel on and go for the driver's side sill next and get the whole driver's side of the car buttoned up. I'm actually really glad I got it ticked off. So I'm glad you watched. Well, stuck the whole way through it, and hopefully we'll catch you in the next one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and drop in the comments away. No problem, any questions or anything like that, or what way you do it. There's completely loads of different techniques on how you do it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.